Hello friends, we are going to discuss about primitive networks. Before discussing about primitive network, we have to just overview of some basic rules of electrical engineering. As we know that our electrical engineering is mainly depends on Ohm's law, KVL and KCL. These three is our basic rules of our electrical engineering. So according to Ohm's law, we know that voltage across that one element is equal to the resistance of that element and current passes through that element. So we can also represent this equation as V is equal to Z into I, where Z is the impedance. Similarly, we can represent it as V is equal to 1 upon Y into I is equal to Y into V, where Y is equal to admittance. So now coming over the primitive means primitive words comes from the prime means main is equal to original. So primitive network gives us a characteristic of each element of a network individually. So if we want to analyze the characteristic of whole network, we have to know about character of each element of that the system. So here we take one single line diagram of one bus bar system. Here is the one generating station, B1 and B2 is two buses. This is our transmission line and load is there. So to analyze this system, first we get separatize the generator. So to know about characteristic of generator, primitive network is we can represent it primitive network in the two ways: primitive impedance network and primitive admittance network. So in this, V is equal to Z into I. Here we use impedance, so this is known as primitive impedance network, and as we use admittance Y, then it knows as primitive admittance networks. So for the generating station, here we represent as Z. Here two node is there, I and J, self impedance of that network, and EMF of that network is EIJ. This is the way representation of primitive admittance network. If we want to represent as primitive admittance network, we use one current source, admittance of that element Yij. Here we can write in the equation form Vij plus Eij is equal to Zij, and current passes through that element Zij. Equation number 1. For this network, here we can see that two currents are there, Iij and Jij current. So as KCL is applied, Iij plus Jij is equal to Yij into voltage across that element Vij. So from equation number 1, we can represent as Iij is equal to 1 upon, if we get this Zij this side, then 1 upon Zij Vij plus 1 upon Zij Eij. As we know that 1 upon Zij is admittance, so Yij Vij plus Yij Eij. This is current Iij. Now Iij minus, sorry, not this one, minus Yij Eij is equal to Yij Vij. Now equation number 2, what we have? From equation number 2 is, from here, Iij plus Jij is equal to Yij Vij. So from equation number 3 and 2, we can say that Jij is equal to minus of Yij Eij. This one and this one. So the performance equation in the form of Z and Y will be written as V bar plus E bar is equal to Z I bar, I plus J is equal to I bar plus J bar is equal to Y bar. Here we can represent Z and Y in the form of matrix, which is primitive impedance matrix, and Y is primitive admittance matrix. By these two equation, we can analyze any number of system by the primitive networks and analyze that characteristics. Thank you.